okay? Because you have to imagine that in the place in the front of the paper mill arrive old rags, because for 2,000 years we produce paper using fibers, okay? So all paper mill transform rags, that is old clothes, cotton, linen, hemp, into sheets of paper. So if you go into an historical archive and touch the paper, you are touching cotton, okay? So they transform rags into paper. So here arrive the rags, then the rags move inside the paper mill and they transform it into sheets of paper, especially into water-marked sheets of paper, okay? So you imagine it's a sort of, it is the process of the past, but is very related to the contemporary age, okay? Recycling. And also they make the, inside the paper mill, they make the glue, because the glue is one of the important elements of the sheets of paper. If you try to write, for example, on the tissue paper without glue, it's impossible. So the glue is the most important elements in the paper, okay? So fibers, natural fibers, glue, and water. These are the elements for the paper. And color, natural color, if you want a colored paper, okay? Then they use natural elements, because they use the wind to dry the paper, okay? And they use the water to move the machine, to transform the force of the water into movements, okay? So it's a sort of a small word where they speak a particular language, okay? So for example, the fibers are pesto, the molds are forme, and the basin are casciotti.